In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect your Nintendo Switch to your iPhone's hotspot. Now, of course, you can use the same method for Android hotspot, but since we have an iPhone here, let's go ahead and use an iPhone to connect to the hotspot. So this is in case your Wi-Fi doesn't seem to be working, or you're in a place that doesn't have Wi-Fi and you need to connect to the internet, then you can always use your phone's internet. So let's go and set up Wi-Fi first on the phone. So on the iPhone, all you have to do is go into settings and then go to mobile service. And then under mobile service, you should see personal hotspot and you want to turn that on. So just enable your hotspot. And once you enable your hotspot, you can now go to your Nintendo Switch. So just go to system settings. Under system settings, scroll down to internet. Select that. And then under internet, go to internet settings. And that's going to search for available networks, and your hotspot should be among the available networks. So let's try and let's wait. So if it doesn't find it the first time, you can always tap on search again or press Y to search again, as you can see here, and it's gonna start the search again. Now eventually it should detect your iPhone's hotspot. So you can see under networks found, I have my iPhone here. I'll just tap on it and then it's going to ask for my hotspot password, which of course is on my phone right there. And once I enter the correct password, just tap OK. And the console should connect to my iPhone's hotspot. So it's connected, tap OK, and that's it. So now when we go into internet settings, you can actually see that my iPhone is the one that's connected, and I'm currently using my phone's internet connection on my Nintendo Switch. Now, if for some reason your Nintendo Switch does not seem to be finding your hotspot, then there are a couple of things you can do on the personal hotspot page. You can turn the hotspot off and then turn it back on. And then also you might want to check on the maximize compatibility option. Okay, so in case this is turned off, sometimes your Nintendo Switch fails to find your hotspot. So you might want to turn that on to maximize the opportunity or the chance of your Nintendo Switch finding your iPhone's hotspot. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.